Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Down, down, do das, down, 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 and do das, get lost, get lost, get lost, and do das, get lost, get lost, get lost, and do das, shame, 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 and do das, shame, 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 shame.
North Eastern Hill University Students Union kalapanlong naka Jylla mentagala singi ublay ka arpautrek unay Weng arajar arpulay balit bantur siya kamra Vice Chancellor Nehu Professor P.S. Shukla Dawa Weng kamno marmar yowe ubar Jylla ubatrey katika skolba unantu dahas uni ubar Jylla ula sya keno baula ktakti kawi ka kentay hakawi ka jakasa kabadan Nehu menha kasingi ublay kakat kandai terek unay Weng arajar arpulay kumta na kaliang kisamla Pule kalay lumlang maning persya halor ketika jingle kalam akor jong te ubrio.
Shame, 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 shame. Get lost, get lost, get lost. Down, 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 down.
Karkom kita long kubor loong bau ni ubar Jylla ude ubatrey kum Assistant Sports Director but security in charge ke skol ba Nehu. Lakano bahinen kasingi ulak takti kawi ka kentay. Da ka jing tmu ban tombor ya ka hakawi ka jakasa kabadan Nehu.
Admin down, 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 down. A molestation down, 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 down. A sexual harassment down, 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 down. A patriarchy down, down.
Loong ba ketika kentay kalapoy sa ketika jaka na kadaw ka jing sya ajiet banit mi kmat ya ketika skol ba siya ka inter-university football tournament. Henday ka igbalapin bitari ki Samla Pule kolong bakilayo ajing tip o te ubar Jylla ula shim kabu da barung hapo ka kamra sa jong ketika kentay batmu banle ka kampo jan. Layo ajing tip ru baki bor pulit kilapoy ha ketika jaka ha kapor jan miet jong kasni ublay barkilakiem no yo te ubar Jylla. Kumta na kaliang Nehusu kalayeng persya ya ketika kambaman jong te ubar Jylla bat dawaru na kibor badikmi bagi di ben Weng kamno mardor yo te ubrio.
I'm just looking at there is a procedure, no. First, Jalli, all of you are.
What about our safety, sir?
Procedure for people like him, who harasses women just because he's in a higher position like that.
Yeah.
What about the safety of the students and women also? There's no
No. I can ensure my student. I am going to take the hard decision. We already taken. My team is already working.
But
When you take the hard decision,
So the decision is easy, removal of Mantudas from all the posts.
yes, I just need to give me the 1 or 2 day time, no.
So within 3 days, sir,
Within 3 days I will do.
So it's not just about
No, within 3 days, yes, within 3 days I will do.
So it's also about the discrimination against women that is going on in the campus. So moral policing, the way administration has been moral policing us. Along with that, everything has been restricted only towards women, We can't go outside after 8. If you're not safe within the campus, what's the purpose of being in the campus? There's a lot of issue every time.
Number of issues are there, and even other things are there.
This is about the safety of our students, especially women students in the university. That's the priority, sir.
We already taken a hard decision. Suspended one professor, I think might be all of you know. Some other cases, we already taken one decision. And in this case, I can ensure my student, I am going to take the hard decision. But there is a system, no. We must follow. Directly not 3 days. Within that, you are giving the 3 days time, no? Within the 3 days, you are going to take decision. Okay?
We don't want to say ever wrong, sir.
Within that 3 days, no? Within the 3 days, going to take a decision.
And the fact that it is a matrilineal society, we expect that you take a decision as soon as possible.
Yeah, as soon as possible. And it is
On that. We need to get signature on this, ensuring that in 3 days, Mantudas will be both. Then you will sign anything. No, sir.
signature means okay. Again, you are saying.
So we want to receive this as a
Receive the office is going to represent.
The problem is, yes, if you condemn his action, what's the problem in signing that?
not a
It was
system.
give us a sense of
Okay,
assurance
any
that you
vice
asked us,
chancellor
sir.
is not a receiving officer. Vice chancellor office already have a receiving department, and we already appointed what?
just like last
time.
So we have multiple complaints against that person.
Just like last time.
Multiple complaints.
Sir, just last time also.
No, I have not received anything, any complaint in the past.
Sir,
Last
last
the last
time.
memorandum you did sign, there was no problem. So now what's the problem?
Sir, last time also first register signed and then you signed.
Yes,
So
sir.
kindly do the same process. Let them.
Okay, no, this is not. I'm
Sir,
going to
give us
write
assurance
anything.
that you are with us. No, just give us a
Yes,
sign.
sir.
Let the register.
No, no, this is not a system.
I
No,
know,
no, you
I know.
cannot, you cannot.
Get the register
This is my humble request to all the students. Please follow the system of the university. You can't do anything. You are the student, like, I am ready to accept it. But always follow the system of the university. No, I would like to develop a system in the university. And my office is already thinking. He is going to put up in the, accordingly, I will prepare a note. Yeah, definitely. I am going to take part.
What do you have to say about this, sir?
What do you have to say about this happening in our campus?
Achha, this is very simple. Whoever is, neither one is जो है नंतु दास, any other, either any जो है teacher, not teaching, and others are going to involve in this activity. This is very shameful, and I am going to condemn this type of activity in the campus also, and definitely under the rules and regulations, ready to take the hard decision.
So today's meeting is about that, or is it about something
No,
else?
this is meeting is finance committee meeting. The finance committee meeting is already scheduled jo hai, before the week, before 15 days. We already conducted the one meeting with the jo hai, KCU, another meeting with the Nehusu. But I can ensure my student, I am not going to tolerate such type of activity in the campus of Bangai.
So when will the meeting be conducted for Nantu Das related? When will the meeting be conducted on Nantu Das?
My one team is already working on that. Yesterday I came back in the night near about 9 p.m. Someone already informed and made a discussion with the registrar jo hai, and other officers of the university, and they are already working on that. Okay, so procedurally I am going to take the decision, but to complete the process it may take some time. No, already all of you are given me the 3 days time, and within 3 days time I will take the decision.
So what kind of action will you take to ensure that this kind of act will never happen again in this campus?
According to the system of the university. University already have a system. According to the system of the university.
So your signature.
Nehu VC sign karo! Sign karo! Sign karo!
So your signature.
My signature? My signature is not required in this paper.
No.
Sign. So please.
Assurance means assurance. You believe on your vice chancellor.
No. We are not stupid. We are not
Science is solid proof, right?
Solid proof is. This is my office signature. So my office signature is sufficient.
Sign.
My signature
Who
is
is the sign?
sufficient.
Who is the sign? Who is the
Thì nó cái liang trong research scholar forum qua bên ông và cái cái jingle trong unan tu das long ngi ki khna research group kham tam mangi ki researcher ki babon ki bawan na ki labs ki batre ha ki labs ki ting te hade chu bje khri or dalamiet so kapen long ngi bangin feel unsafe la don ko ni ujat breu ha kan ke yute na kaliang jong irong demand ban weng no na kam jong ku assistant director jong ka sports department but ku chu ru bade u in charge jong ka security jong ka Nehu haba nong penyat hi nong pet hi ka ya ka security jong ka Nehu ulong kum ne te ni ngin ngo long safe kum lo ki kan thei mo ki kan thei ba Pule ha ka ni university te ni demand ban Weng no yu kum ba ki la ong ki Nehusu bangin aya ka license ka pot ban Weng no yu te ni mangiru ngi support ya kata ka demand jong ka Nehusu security in charge
but ya ka post yang assistant sports director ha pon ni Dawa ya university ya ka administration no kin remove no mar ya na ko ka post yang but because kim dan chaka ya ko mutu jat bre ha ka university jo dingi do ni la yo na itaru ni la yo show ki dan ki kena bala yo sim la ka bala yo kani ko bot ki la don ki ba wan om lagi ba ula le show ki kam ini bala jangan ta insa ong ka shi thi ba yo le ta kena.
This is to inform you that I, as a student of Nehu, and I have been playing college events, due to which I have to talk with the sports director, and he has called me unnecessarily many times alone. During every meeting, he has made me feel uncomfortable with his comments, and he has also threatened me regarding participation in game. I do not want to reveal my identity as I am still scared. Then he lamat situ na kani ba ki khna kala ju jat teng hen ki pajulut ban wan chakmat elin ba ki ne ba kilayo campaign men te khna ru kila khna ban wan chakmat ba ni nai le ka ba
Kay ka appeal yung PM tayo para kanang ba ko ni kanum jasu sa nang ni sakmat.
Ikidue ki pakinum tieng haba ki ja kum ki ki ba kinang wan bet chakmat ban ai be complain so kila dadan balik kum kata ba kinum tieng ba kin
One bitch ki kang bani ko ka union nila maniship action had ya kita bigre ki balik ko kita kam and ni wa ong ba ko ka sangi ba ini bentuk ki bigre ko lobian ki ba bani ka post ko security in charge nang bangi small nine hab in the po university journey man ni asmo ba chale board ko ni small air mo ba ha ka university nim la ban ya like load ni don be da ka jinx air minsi te gismo ting ba don security in charge ubalik kum kata kam
but ni program juro ikani ka jingle jong una mar kam di ka kam ka ba kadi ka kam ka ba chaklia tam but kadi ka ba penjab buram om tang ya hiru kadi penjab buram ya university barok kuai ni kena barok kuai badi kinong hikai barok kuai te ni kum ka Nehusu ni yang hangni ban program jur ya udah das ikni ki jingle jong
dan yang jaga jing sekolah meru ya itai bala syak le thambor haunan das